So so today is 12th of January 2024. It's almost 6 p.m. now, or 6:30 p.m. So let's just say 6 p.m. It's been how many months now? I know the last time I drove this car was late October 2023. So it's over 2 months now. So you can see the cobwebs have started to build up. Okay, so I want to crank the car because I intend to change the brake pads, the front ones today. The tires are actually started. This is the part I wanted to change. So tires have started going down. So I need to inflate them. Covers. Yeah. Okay, so this will be the first crank, and we'll see what happens. Okay. The interior still neat as I left it. No dust. Of course, I'll cover the car. Okay, I usually remove this whenever I know I don't want intend to use the car. Okay, so let's see. This is the first crank after about 3 months. Let's see how it's going to be. Oh. Okay. Let's try again. See. Okay, something is wrong. So find out. So I guess probably because I parked the car for too long. So that could be the reason why it's not cranking. I don't have time to start diagnosing now to know. So, but what I did was I disconnected the connectors and plugged them back. Starting with the CTS, which can do that, coolant temperature sensor. Some other connectors, like to the ones that goes to the 6 injectors. These other sensors, and so we'll see. Let's try it again. I know the fuel pump is priming. Okay, here it's spinning, so just hope the fuel have not expired, because I don't know, after 3 months it should be able to start and run the car. Let's see. Okay. Let's see again. I don't think I'll pack it this long again. Okay. No attempt. Let me give it a second. Let's see. Try it one more time. If it doesn't, then that's probably an issue. So yeah, that's a problem. So we'll see. I'll see the fuel pump. Okay, so I disconnected the engine ECU, the two of them, the injection and the ignition, plug it back, and so let's see if that solves the problem. It's as if the fuel injectors, for some reasons, it's now stopped. Stop working. Let's see again. Oh, okay. 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 It's off idling. Okay, it's too much for Let's try it again. There's too much fuel in the system. Okay. Okay. Alright, so whoa. Okay, so lesson learned. I don't think I'll pack it this long again without starting. So later I'll deal with this. So about 90 days or close to 90 days, let's just say 60 days plus. So the injection system doesn't like it to stay this long. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to take it out now and then deal with the spark plug replacement.